Hello friends, I Dr. Amit Tapkir from Progressive Education Society's Modern College of Pharmacy, Yamuna Nagar Nigdi. Welcome you all in today's section. Today's section is on anti-malarial drugs part 3. The learning objective. The learner will able to describe mode of action, chemistry and SAR of anti-malarial drugs. Learner will able to describe pharmacokinetic and drug interaction of anti-malarial drugs. The learner, after watching this video, able to recall and summarize adverse and side effect and toxicity of anti-malarial drug, recall and summarize use of anti-malarial drugs, and recall and summarize the combinations of anti-malarial drugs. Dear students, in lecture first, we learned the introduction, malaria cycle, classification of anti-malarial drug, and the first class, that is the 4-aminoquinones anti-malarial drugs. In second part, we learned 5-6 other classes of anti-malarial drugs, their mode of action, chemistry, SAR, adverse side effects and uses. In today's lecture, we are going to see the mode of action, chemistry and SAR, and adverse effect, side effects and uses of remaining classes of anti-malarial drugs. And also we are going to see important and useful anti-malarial drug combinations. In classification, the 4-aminoquinoline we covered in the first lecture, quinoline methanol, cinchona alkaloids, biguanides, diaminopyrimidines, 8-aminoquinolines, and sulfonamide and sulfone class of anti-malarial drug we learned in last sections. In today's section, we are going to see antibiotics, mainly the tetracycline antibiotic, in that tetracycline and doxycycline. Then susciterpene lactones. In this class of a drug, the artesunate, artemether, arteethers are the drugs which are used as antimalarials. In next class, that is in class of amino alcohol, we are going to see the drugs halophedrine and lumefantrine. Next class of a drug is a naphthyridines class of a drug. In this class, we are going to see the drug pyronaridine, and the last class, that is naphthoquinone class of antimalarial drug. The example of this class of drug is atovaquone. We are going to see the atovaquone also. Now stop your video and think on this question, how to prevent malaria. Since last two lectures we are finding the answer of this question, and now we are in position to give the answer of this question. But we are going to find more options by studying the other classes of a drug. Now start your video and see the other classes, how they are used to prevent the malaria. The next class, that is antibiotic. The antibiotic, generally the tetracycline antibiotic, tetracycline class of antibiotic are used for the treatment of malaria. The first drug of tetracycline class of antibiotic is a tetracycline. The tetracycline is made up of 4 aromatic benzene ring, that is ring A, ring B, ring C and ring D. At one position the carbonyl group, second position the carbonyl amine group, third position hydroxy, fourth position dimethyl amino group, then sixth position hydroxy and methyl group, 10th position and 12th position and 12A position the hydroxy group are present, and at 11th position the carbonyl group is present. Now the mode of action of tetracycline. The majorly tetracycline used as an antibacterial by preventing binding of tRNA to mRNA ribosome complex and thus interfering with the protein synthesis. Here this drug acts on a plasmodium species by the same way, by acting or interfering with the protein synthesis. The common tetracycline side effects are include nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, upset stomach, loss of appetite, white patches or sores inside your mouth or on your lips, swollen tongue, black or hairy tongue, and troubling swallowing. These are the common tetracycline side effects. Common tetracycline use, this drug is used as an anti-malarial agent. In addition to this, this is used to treat the infection of skin, eye, lymphatic, intestinal, genital and urinary system, and certain other infections that are spread by ticks, lice, mites and the infected animals. The next tetracycline antibiotic is a doxycycline. The structural difference is a very minute structural difference if you compare the structure of a doxycycline with a tetracycline. At the sixth position, the hydroxy group is not present in a doxycycline. Rest of the structure is the same as a tetracycline. It's a structural congener of a tetracycline. Doxycycline is a broad spectrum tetracycline class of antibiotic. This drug used to prevent malaria, and this drug is used in a combination with quinine to treat the malaria. This drug is also used to treat the bacterial pneumonia, acne, chlamydia infections, early lymph diseases, cholera, typhus and the syphilis. The next class of antimalarial drugs is sesquiterpene lactone. Sesquiterpene lactone. The example is artesunate, artemether, artemisinin, and arteether. The artemisinin is isolated from the plant Artemisia annua, sweet wormwood, a herb employed in the Chinese traditional medicine. And other artesunate, artemether, these are the semi-synthetic derivative. The sesquiterpene, it's a type of a terpene. Sesquiterpene are a class of terpenes that consist of the 3-isoprenoid unit. Often have the molecular formula C15H24. All of you know that each isoprenoid unit is made up of 5 carbon atoms, and sesqui means 3. So it's made up of a 3 isoprenoid unit. That's why the formula C15H24. Very little difference in all this structure, artemisinin, artemether, artesunate. You can observe easily in the structure where the O is attached to the aliphatic ring, O is attached, the bottom O oxygen is attached to the methyl in artemether. In arteether, the bottom oxy group is attached to the ethyl group. The artemisinin, there is a carbonyl group. So little bit of structural difference. Rest of the structure of all sesquiterpene lactone, artesunate, artemether, artemisinin, arteether are same. Next class of antimalarial drugs is amino alcohols. The name will give idea that is they contain amino alcohols in their structure. The example of this class of drug is halofantrine. The halofantrine contain the phenanthrene nucleus. If you look out the structure very peacefully, then you can easily find the 3 benzene rings are attached to each other in a particular fashion, and that structure is known as phenanthrene. The phenanthrene, you can find this phenanthrene in a morphine derivative. Morphine is also a phenanthrene derivative, and halofantrine is also a phenanthrene derivative. And in phenanthrene derivative, there is a 2 chloro group are also present. Trifluoromethyl is also present, and the amino alcohols is present. The mechanism of action of halofantrine may be similar to that of chloroquine, quinine, and mefloquine. By forming complex with the ferritoporphyrin 9 that damage the membrane of parasite. In this way, the halofantrine will act as an antimalarial agent. Next amino alcohol is a lumefantrine. It's again amino alcohol class of antimalarial agent. It is also known as benflumetol. Benflumetol. It is only used in a combination with artemether. It's again amino alcohol, 3-member ring. The phenanthrene is not here. The 3-member ring. The middle ring is a 5-member, and the adjacent ring is a 6-member benzene rings. Next class of drug is a naphthalene class of antimalarial drug. The example is a pyronaridine. Pyronaridine. In the structure of pyronaridine, the quinine, quinoline is there. The quinoline is there. That is a ring two benzene ring where the one nitrogen is present. So it's a quinoline, and to that quinoline, the six-member ring having one nitrogen, that is a pyridine ring, is attached. So the basic ring is a basic structure contains three rings, where one is a quinoline and second is the pyridine. Pyronaridine is an anti-malarial drug. It was first made in 1917 and has been in clinical use in China since 1980. It is one of the component of artemisinin combinations therapy, pyronaridine and artesunate. The brand name of this combination is Pyramax. The last class of antimalarial drug is a naftoquinone. The example is atovaquone. Atovaquone is a hydroxy 1,4-naftoquinone, an analog of ubiquinone. This atovaquone acts by inhibiting the nucleic acid and ATP synthesis. After this, all classes of antimalarial drug, we are going to see some famous antimalarial drug combinations. The famous antimalarial drug combinations are classified majorly in three types, that is artemisinin based combination, non-artemisinin based combination, and new combinations. In artemisinin based combination, the example are artesunate, chloroquine, artesunate, amodiaquine, artesunate, mefloquine, artesunate, sulfadoxine, pyrimethamine, artemether, lumefantrine, and lastly the chlorprogonyl, dapsone, and artesunate. The next class is not artemisinin based combination, which includes sulfadoxine, pyrimethamine based combination. Example is the sulfadoxine and pyrimethamine. The second subclass is a quinine based combination, which includes quinine and tetracycline. And last is a new combination is a piperacquine, dihydroxy, artemisinin, and trimethoprene. And chlorprogonyl, dapsone, and artesunate. These are the combination drugs used to treat the malaria. These are some references which I used to prepare today's presentation. Thank you. Happy learning.